going on, everyone? Obviously the car looks great on the outside. I really like how it came out, but the inside needs something a little bit different. So to turn this base model 3.7 liter Mustang to something a little bit more premium, we're gonna change these puppies out for the premium model. Let's go. All right, so here we are. I did get these used, so they're a little scuffed, but that's okay. That's better than those things. And these do work with the My Color, so this Mustang logo should light up at nighttime with the lights. So you get this guy off to pull up on this, and this, and I think it should come out. So let's see if that works. There we go. There's one. There's two. There are four of these. Oh shit. 3, 4. Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, all right. That piece is off. So this is what it should look like. A couple tabs in here, here. I think one of those will go into here. There's a couple tape here. That piece needs to come out. That's fine. But then we can get the new one on. Okay, so I removed that. The only problem is I don't have the connector in my car, so I don't think My Color is gonna hook up with that. So that's unfortunate. However, it's still gonna look better than the base model, so we're still gonna go ahead and install that. All I did after I took it off was hit it with some degreaser, some water, clean off the space, and reinserted where the tabs go. I think you are supposed to use some double-sided tape, but I did not have that, so I just kind of threw them in there, and feels pretty secure to me. I don't see that shit going anywhere, so let's do the next side. I will also say if you want to do this completely correctly, you should probably remove this extra tape here, but I didn't do it on the other side, and I'm not doing it here, and I think it's fine, to be honest. So anyway, cleaning this off, and we're gonna install the next one. Okay, so trying to put it in, I started bending this, so we don't want to break that, so I end up taking that out, and I'll probably take the other 3 out and then put it on there, and then that should be a lot safer and easy to put in. Okay, so inside that little bracket there, we have this little clip here, and those spiky things are freaking dangerous, obviously. I also can't push the new put in because they're blocking it and they're too rigid, so I'm just gonna snip them. Hopefully that doesn't matter, considering this piece is pretty static and not really moving. It should be fine. All right, all installed. Let's put that puppy on. All right, that concludes this video. A quick, easy interior mod to make your car just a little bit nicer and to give it that little extra flair. If you are lucky and have the wiring harness for the My Color in there, hook that up and it'll work just fine. Otherwise, I think it still looks good. Maybe I'll paint the letters, maybe I won't, I don't know. But until next time, thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you really enjoyed, hit that subscribe button. We are currently, at the time of recording, 230 subs. Goal is 300 by the end of the year. We are 3/10 of the way there, and it's only January. How wonderful. Anyway, catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.